I was a business owner for 20 odd years before I came into TAB, and so my transition had kind of already been made. And I suppose the biggest difference is now I'm with TAB, as opposed to being just on my own running a business. I'm running a business along with a bunch of other people.
Almost from the moment that I heard about what TAB is, I really like the sound of it. So I spent quite a lot of time meeting existing TAB business owners. All it did was reinforce that this is a good business, it's a great opportunity, it's a proven business model.
You've got a head office in the background working to do all the marketing and the IT. They provide a lot of training for us, which is obviously very helpful. So all of those things meant that I decided that a franchise was really worth the investment and worth going down that route rather than just starting by myself.
It was whilst during doing some consultancy work, I was actually introduced to TAB through one of my clients. They very much shared my values. They're a very warm and welcoming and genuine group of people.
I really like what TAB does. I like the services that we deliver. But the most important thing for me was the TAB community, the people.
The business that I've started helps me to achieve a lot of my personal goals. I won't say it's always been easy, but I've taken control back over my life and the rewards are certainly worth it.